In front of me is ZTE Blade V50 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off autocorrection. Begin by going into settings and scrolling down to access system and update. When you're ready, select languages and input. Then tap on on-screen keyboard and revert. Following that, click on text correction and after scrolling down, click on this switcher next to autocorrection. This way you can switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!